A victims' rights group is calling on the state court to hear cases of alleged sexual abuse in the Roman Catholic Diocese in Rochester. Abuse survivors say mediation efforts with the diocese have failed, and they're accusing the diocese of using its bankruptcy process to prolong the court process for survivors. Allie Peters joins us now live from Gates. Allie, what's next for these alleged victims?
Well, Adam, 20 alleged sexual abuse survivors are now asking the state court to hear their cases. They say mediation with the Diocese of Rochester has not worked and has actually ended up doing more harm to victims. Hundreds of sexual abuse claims have been filed against the Diocese of Rochester during its bankruptcy process. But victims' rights advocates say the diocese is using bankruptcy to delay victims' court hearings and settlements.
These survivors do not deserve this kind of treatment. The Rochester Diocese has plenty of assets, and they should say, we're going to use whatever assets we have to help make these people whole.
Road to Recovery advocates say settlements have not been reached with victims, which denies them the chance to heal.
Victims are being re-victimized, re-traumatized. Now that the diocese is not acting fairly and justly, those people are going through exactly what they went through when they were little children.
Which is why 20 alleged victims have requested their cases be heard in state court.
They're going to bring out things. They're going to be forced to bring out things that are right now hidden, either in the secret files or in maybe someone's knowledge.
Carol Dupre says she was abused by her priest as a teen. She's been advocating for other victims for years, and while her case isn't one of the 20 going to court, she says she supports this move.
These are our stories. These are our experiences. We know what happened to us. We know how it messed up our lives, and the church needs to be accountable.
Now, News 8 reached out to the Diocese of Rochester for comment. The organization says it has proposed a $35 million insurance settlement, and a bankruptcy judge is expected to rule on that on July 9th. You can read more about their statement up at rochesterfirst.com. Live in Gates, Allie Peters, News 8.
All right, Allie, thank you. Many of these lawsuits were filed against the Diocese of Rochester after the enactment of the Child Victims Act, which extended the statute of limitations on child sexual abuse cases. The diocese represents 86 parishes and 12 counties.